getting in the tub. Yeah, hey there, Tinky. Hey there, Mommy Tinky. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey, girl. Just got done rubbing lotion on her legs and put her little socks on. Now we finna put our clothes on. She is fascinated with her fingers. I'm guessing they taste like some chicken or something good because she loves these fingers. So we'll be back when I have clothes on. Pink, it say loved, and then she has on the socks that say sweet. Because she's loved and she's very sweet. Yeah, say mommy finna do my hair now. I'll be back, guys. Thank you. Say I'm done. I'm done with my bath. Say I'm done. Pinky. Yeah. Yeah. Say mommy gave me a good bath. I'm all clean and fresh. Yeah. So I just had some milkies. Yeah, her just had some milkies. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I all clean. I all clean. Do some tummy time before I go to sleep. I do some tummy time. Yeah. Show everybody which big kid you are. Because y'all, she thinks she is a big kid. See her trying to sit up? Say, and I roll over. Yeah. And I 2 months. Big girl leg. Look, say, I try to roll over right now. Say, thank you for having bath time with me. Bye-bye. You said bye-bye? Ooh, good burp. So I just got done eating. Yeah. There you go. Say bye-bye. All right.